Hey everyone, welcome back to Chicken Grow. Look, let's be totally honest for a second. Have you walked down the grocery store aisle lately and looked at the prices of food? It is getting wild out there. Inflation is hitting hard, and feeding a family is starting to feel like a second mortgage. But what if I told you that there is a simple, incredibly rewarding backyard hack that can literally put fresh food on your table, slash your market bills, and bring a massive amount of joy to your daily life? Yep, I am talking about backyard chicken farming. Now, if you are thinking, wait, I'm not a farmer, I live in a regular house. Hold on. Today, we are stripping away the complex agricultural jargon. We are having a real, down-to-earth conversation about the game-changing benefits of raising your own backyard flock. Whether you want to beat high market prices or just want a little more self-sufficiency, this video is for you. If you want to take control of your food source and learn how to run a successful flock without the stress, you are in the right place. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. Let's talk about benefit number 1. All right, let's start with the most obvious, mouth-watering benefit: the eggs. When you have a few healthy hens running around your backyard, you are essentially printing your own breakfast. Every single morning, you walk outside, open up the nesting box, and there they are, warm, fresh, high-quality eggs. And the best part? You don't have to buy them ever again. Think about the money staying in your pocket. No more paying premium prices for grocery store eggs that have been sitting on a truck for weeks. You are getting pure, nutrient-dense protein straight from your yard to your plate, absolutely free of charge. It is a total win for your morning routine and your wallet. Now, here is a benefit that catches a lot of beginners by surprise. Chickens are not just livestock. They make absolutely incredible pets. If you live alone, or if you just want some lively company around the house, chickens are the perfect antidote to loneliness. These birds have massive, hilarious personalities. They learn to recognize your voice. They will literally run to the gate to greet you when you come home. And they love to follow you around the yard while you work. They are quirky, they are peaceful to watch, and taking care of them gives you a wonderful, relaxing routine that keeps your mind grounded and happy. They genuinely become part of the family. Let's pivot to something that makes massive financial sense: meat production. We all know that the cost of chicken and beef in the market has skyrocketed. It is getting harder and harder for the average buyer to afford quality meat. By raising a designated batch of meat birds, like broilers or dual-purpose breeds, right in your backyard, you are completely bypassing those crazy market markups. You are producing organic, clean meat at a fraction of the commercial cost. This directly reduces your household food expense, ensuring your family has a steady supply of premium protein without draining your bank account. Think about all the kitchen scraps you throw away: vegetable peelings, leftover rice, stale bread. To you, it's trash. To your chickens, it is a 5-star buffet. Chickens are the ultimate biological waste managers. They will eat your scraps and turn that waste directly into eggs. But it gets even better for Jurgen. Chicken manure is absolute black gold for soil. It is packed with nitrogen and phosphorus. Instead of buying expensive chemical fertilizers for your backyard, vegetables, or flowers, you just compost your chicken bedding. They eat your bugs, clear out your weeds, and fertilize your yard for free. Look, at the end of the day, backyard chicken farming isn't about moving out to the countryside or buying a massive tractor. It's about balance, taking control of your kitchen budget, and adding some incredible, feather-filled joy to your daily life. From the free daily eggs to the financial relief on meat costs and the amazing companionship, a backyard flock is one of the best investments you will ever make. I want to hear from you. What is holding you back from starting your backyard flock today? Or if you already have chickens, what's your favorite thing about them? Let's chat in the comments below. If this conversational breakdown brought some real value to your day, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss our upcoming step-by-step guides on how to build your very first coop. To learn exactly how to set up your backyard space for maximum egg production right from week 1, click the video on your screen right now. Keep things simple, keep your birds happy, and let's keep those chickens growing. See you in the next one.